Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another interesting knife unboxing. That's not normally how I say it. Usually I say, I've got another short, little unboxing video to share with you guys. I got mixed up. Sorry about that. We're going to keep it so I don't have to go back. Okay, forgive me. Thanks so much to Rike for sending these in. It's been a bit since I've seen anything from Rike, so it's interesting here. Can't wait to see what's inside. Thanks to Rike for sending these in. I'll link everything down in the description so that you guys can check this stuff out. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and make sure your notifications are turned on for the Metal Complex YouTube channel. That is a heavy one. This is not. This is a small, light boy. Rike Venom DG Dark Gray Titanium Handle Bowler M390. Let's find out what this guy is first. I don't know why we save the big ones till the end. I'm sure there's a suggested joke in there somewhere. I'll let you guys put the pieces of that together in the comments. Rike Venom. Oh, we have a little lanyard thing and a little lanyard bead that has some knurling on it there, so that's cool. I won't use the lanyard, but that'll come with it. Let's take a look at this card. Does it say anything? No, it has a little scannable on there, so if you're watching on TV, you can scan that. Okay. Rike Venom. Little tiny guy. Slip joint or neck knife or both. Probably slip joint. Little leather slip. Handprint on there. Okay. Oh, it's a little guy, little bottle opener guy. Now hold on. We got a chunky, yeah, we got a little chunky blade on there. I actually like that. Now what's going on with this? Okay, so this is intentionally done this way. Initially I thought maybe there was something wrong with it, but no. So hold on. Does it? So this is a double detent knife. Chisel thing. Bottle opener. I wonder if that works. So we are lifting here. So pressure down. Would that work? I worry that it would kick that back out. Maybe not, because of the way that you're opening this, right? Pulling up and that's but creating pressure here. Maybe not. Little tiny scraper, little pry bar thing. This is the pocket clip. Very weird, very interesting, very, very thick little scraper edge right here, but nothing locking it in place. I think some people will enjoy this, and some people might find that the fact that it doesn't lock in place, it might not be preferable. I will point out, you don't have to hold the handle. You can actually hold the blade, which might actually be more beneficial if you're using this that way. Because there's no sharpened edge here, you only stand to accidentally get yourself with this part. This is chisel ground, and actually, despite the thing looking super duper thick behind the edge, which it's still relatively thick, I bet I can still slice paper with it. Let's give that a shot. If you actually use this as a, oh yeah, if you actually use this as a, I bet that surprised literally everybody. I bet every single one of you went, oh. Because there's a little guy in my head that went, he was sunk way into his armchair, eyes, eyelids kind of fading. And then as soon as I cut that, he was like, oh, he stood up, put his hands on his hips. I wasn't expecting that either. That's funny. Okay, that's a fun little thing. I'll let you guys know after carrying that a bit if that actually works. The other one here, this big old boy. That did not cut it at all. Gotta put a little pressure on that one. This is the Thor 6 Plus FB Flame Blue Tie Integral M390. Sweet! Big blue integral. Guys, this feels heavy. This feels large. Oh boy. What are we in for? Hold on. Just get my finger in that hole there. Holy crap! Oh my gosh! Look at the size of this freaking thing! Oh my god! What the heck? That is awesome! That is awesome! Oh my gosh, it's huge! Whoa! Holy, what the heck? We gotta measure it. Imagine walking in. How many of you, your significant other walked in at the worst time in this video with absolutely no context to what I was saying, just giggling and talking how big it is, and we gotta measure it, right? I know. There's nothing. Sorry to all the wives and significant others out there who that sounded weird, right? Sorry. It's just a knife. Okay. God. We got an 11-inch. Oh, man. It's 11 1/4 inches. 5-inch blade. 4.75 inches of cutting edge. Is this actually an integral? It is. What a monster. What an absolute monster. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is so freaking cool. Oh man. What the heck? I had no idea they were sending this. This has oil all over it, by the way. This is not the actual blade finish. Full lightning anno skeleton. We have this crazy, absolutely crazy sort of, if you guys have seen all the other Thor knives, right, you've seen this alien theme that was designed by, I believe the owner of Reich, his name is Richard. We have the same name. Hey, what's up? What's up, other dick? Thank you so much. This is super cool. We've seen his other designs, and I actually have a couple in my collection that are the same theme, but this is clearly the biggest one by a long shot. I mean, it's double the size of some of the other models. Oh my goodness, that is so wild. I wonder how much time it takes to do this to the blade, because the blade's hardened, right? This is nuts. Okay, so it's heavy, but I bet the action on that is so smooth as well. I bet it's not as heavy as we might think because of all the skeletonization. Literally skeletonization. Unreal, man. Can I actually put this in my pocket? You know what? In and out of the pocket, actually pretty easy. This looks like it would just chomp down on your pocket, and it would be impossible to go in or get out. No, actually super, super easy. It's right there on that rib. Okay. Less than you would think for a full tie integral that's 11 1/4 inches. 7.4 ounces. Not bad. And look at that balance. Right behind the pivot. Right behind the pivot. Wow. Oh, that is not what I was expecting. That is not what I was expecting at all. Oh my gosh. Super cool. All right. Funny combination of stuff here. No idea when this is going to be. I do these unboxings blind, guys. So any information that might be available will be in the description. Okay? So just because I'm uploading this stuff, there's going to be a whole bunch of people who have zero attention span, right? Brain capacity is the equivalent of a bologna and cheese sandwich. And they're going to go, I don't see it anywhere. I watched 4 seconds of the video. And I went to the link, and it's not there. Right? You go down in the comments. They're there. Right? I have no idea. I do this stuff blind. I try to line things up. Right? But it's not always possible. So I don't know. I don't know when the actual release date is. I'm just, I'm going to try and schedule this as accurately as I can, but I'm not perfect, right? So for those of you who watched until the end, you can go down there and say, hey, pay attention, right? You can tell those folks. Yeah, I don't know. So I'll put the appropriate links in the description. I don't know when it'll be available. I have no idea how much it'll be. It will undoubtedly be very expensive. This is a titanium and M390 integral with an incredible amount of machine work. It is not cast. People ask this all the time. I've confirmed it with the owner of Reich. No, none of this is cast. It is all milled and machined. But there's 2 knives worth of material here. So this is not going to be a cheap item. Anyways, that's going to be it today, guys. Please Make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.